There are different types of houses. It depends on where you live, in the city or in the country. Block of flats. Cottage. I live in a detached house. There are 6 rooms in it. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the first floor. The kitchen, the living room, and the dining room are on the ground floor. In the bedrooms, there are beds, a wardrobe, and desks. There is a guest room on the ground floor with a bathroom. In the living room, we have an armchair, a sofa, and a TV. In the kitchen, we have all necessary appliances: a cooker, a fridge, a dishwasher, and a microwave. Outside, there is a drive and a garden. The drive leads to the underground garage for 2 cars. My grandparents are keen on gardening, so you can see beautiful flower beds. I always keep my room tidy and make my bed. I often do the washing up, though I don't like doing it. Sometimes I take out the rubbish or dust the furniture. I never wash the dishes or sweep the floor. My mother does that. Occasionally, I help to make breakfast. Best of all, I like walking my dog in the evening. I don't mind helping at home as we all share the chores.